Okay, so we need to have something that would work for our hair, right? So, what is the point of using repairing products? So, a lot of people ask that. I mean, do they really work? Okay. Um, what can we do for our hair, if we're relaxed or even if you're not relaxed? But I speak about relaxed hair because I am relaxed. I get my relaxer once a year. We're starting to get it once a year. I used to get it twice a year. So the question was, what's the point? So the answer is, for those questions, we need something for the eternal of our hair. We don't need anything to fix the outside of our hair to allow it to appear healthy when it's not. And the eternal, that's why our hair is steady um, being damaged, okay? Because the internal of our hair is not being properly fixed. We need that done first. Just like eating. If you eat junk food all the time, you don't eat any fruits or eat good vegetables, or not drinking enough water, you're drinking juices and sodas and eating fatty foods and all of this stuff, the insides will be messed up, and eventually it will show up on the outside. So we're looking for something for internal of the structure of our hair, and I am going to talk about that. Now, if I don't get this video done today because I'm washing clothes, then I'll come back and do it another time, and then I'll probably upload it. If it's not this weekend, it probably will be maybe sometime Monday morning. Okay, so if you're interested in this video and what I have to say, stay tuned and wait till I return. All right. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you ever so kindly for stopping by. I pray that there's something that I say, or maybe that you see, maybe hear, that will get you to come back for more. And I pray in the name of Jesus that this video will educate you far as choosing the right products for your hair care need. Okay, thank you ever so kindly. So today we're going to talk about repairing products, bonding treatment products, and also a little bit about protein. Okay, because I was asked, so repairing products, do it really work? So what is the point of us using those products? Bonding treatment products, do they work for chemical treated hair? Are they for that? I used to hear this and hear that. I'm telling you what other people said. So I have looked that up because I really don't know anything of the two products, okay? But I have looked that up, and what I have found, I wrote it down. Okay, so I am going to read this, and then you can make the decision that is best for your hair care need. Okay, so you only know your hair, I only know my hair. Okay, so but I was asked, and I just wanted to get this video out. Okay, so this is what a hair repair products or products will do for your hair. Okay, they are set to repair temporarily, it says temporarily, already damaged hair like split ends or breakable hair. Okay, so products can't really truly repair your hair. Instead, these products often work by temporarily sealing the hair's cuticle, or, if you will, filling in the gaps in the fibers to improve its texture and appearances on the outside layers of your hair, like protein does. Now, that's what I read. Okay, you can go look it up. What are the benefits of repairing products for your hair? And it will give you all of that. I didn't write everything down, but it is a long list, so I just chose to do this because I didn't want the video to be too long. Okay, bonding treatments. What are the benefits of these bonding treatments? What will they do for our hair? So it works best, it'll work on everybody's hair, and that's for real. But chemically treated hair, instead of you using proteins, that just work on the outer appearances of our hair, you want to use something that works internal, okay, to fix that. You don't want something to look pretty on the outside, but then inside you toe up. You get what I'm saying? We don't want that. Okay, so bonding treatments, they restore internal bonds broken by chemicals. Like myself, I'm relaxed. I don't color my hair, but I do have chemical. I am relaxed. If you color your hair, that's still chemical. You don't relax, okay? If you bleach your hair, you don't color your hair, you don't relax your hair, that's still chemical. It's still chemical. So it works the internal of your hair structure instead of just the outside appearances of your hair to make it appear, healthy, and it's not. You understand? That's just like taking a vitamin. We take vitamins to help the internal of our organs and everything, right? And it eventually it'll show on the outside, okay? So while that's repairing and keeping the inside of us, giving us nutrients and vitamins, and it shows on the outside, like our skin. A lot of y'all compliment on me about my skin. Our skin, the white part of our eyes, it's white. Our hair, our nails are white. They're not yellowish or turning brown or anything like that. That's what a vitamin would do. So using a bond treatment for your hair, it works on the inside of the hair structure. And it's better because it'll fix all of that broken stuff that's in there and then help to repair inside, and it'll show on the outside. We don't want nothing just to, that'll look good and then the inside is terrible. Okay, so that's the difference between the two. Protein treatments are the same. They only work on the outer layers of our hair. That's it. It doesn't fix anything. Okay, protein treatments do not fix anything. So it's best, in my opinion, to use a bonding treatment for your hair after any chemical services that first wash. It's always best to use a bonding treatment for your hair instead of wasting money on protein treatments. And that's the truth. So you can go look this up yourself, okay? So a lot of ladies, they go through a lot with their hair and they ask me questions, and I try to do a video on that. Okay, I'm going to try to get this video up for you guys because it is getting a little late. All right, and I just want to get this up. If I don't get it up tonight, I promise I will get it up in the morning sometime before 3 o'clock. I promise, okay? So Lord's will, you will see me in my next video. Enjoy the weekend, and you will see me then, okay? God bless you. Mwah. Bye.